Hello, and today I'm answering the question, how do I make an insurance claim? If you're concerned that there is subsidence damage to your property because of the appearance of cracks, perhaps around the windows or doors, then it's around this time of year that sort of damage is likely to be noticed. First question to ask yourself is, who is my insurance company? You're looking for who is the building's insurance company for your property. If, like me, you may well have direct debits being paid month after month to various different insurers for different things: household insurance, car insurance, phone insurance, etc. So the first thing to do is work out actually who is your building's insurance with. Once you've worked that out, you must act quickly. It will be within the terms and conditions of your policy for you to notify your insurers as soon as possible if you're concerned about damage to your property. But how do you do that? There will probably be lots of ways you can do it depending on your actual insurance company. If you're watching this on YouTube or LinkedIn, then you're likely to be the sort of person that will notify your insurers by phone, email, or app. But the ability to print off a claim form from the insurance company's website and send that in by post is likely to still be available for the more traditional insured. When you bring your claim, you are going to be dealing with a claims handler who's going to ask you lots of questions. The answer here is to be as honest and as detailed as possible. You are going to need to give details about when you noticed the damage, if this has happened before, whether there are perhaps any trees in the area, whether your neighbours might have had a claim, what you might have done previously to fill in cracks, for example, as part of your decoration scheme, things like that. So the important part here is be honest and be detailed. Once you've made a claim, you are likely to get somebody to come and look at your property to see actually what is going on. That could be a physical visit from somebody actually coming to your property to have a look around, or it could be a virtual visit, a FaceTime visit on your phone, or a mixture of the two. It's important in subsidence claims for insureds to manage their expectations, because the reality and the expectations could very much differ. Subsidence claims take time. Subsidence is a different sort of peril. It is not an incident that's over and done with, like a fire or a flood or an impact claim. Subsidence happens over time, over the seasons. So as part of that, investigations tend to have to happen over the seasons. For example, monitoring of a property will happen over a period of time to see how the property is moving in the summer as compared with the winter. So unfortunately, to get this data at the moment, this requires patience. So presuming that the claim has been accepted because it's subsidence damage and all the investigations have gone ahead, then hopefully your insurance company will accept the claim, sort it out, and it will be case closed before you know it.